Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So the SUI chart has pulled back, but has not broken yet the previous swing low. So the $3.90 level there is still holding, which is just like the previous swing low, which I've labeled a wave 2 in a possible diagonal pattern. So far, this scenario still holds. The pullback is in 3 waves, which keeps the door open for higher. However, not in an impulse, but we didn't expect an impulse here. We talked about it, that it's most likely some kind of a diagonal pattern. If we are going higher, it can't be an impulse. It just doesn't form 5 waves here. So we have a possible low in a larger degree, wave 4 from the 20th of December, and then a 1-2 setup, yes. But this is not another 1-2. It's a 3-wave move up, so could be an A wave. This could be a B wave pullback, absolutely, with a C wave next. I mean, as I said in the last video, the floor will start to break or crack with a break below 390. That is not necessarily a confirmation that all of this larger degree third wave has topped, but it would be a first indication. And then the next confirmation level that we are already in the larger degree fourth wave is a break below $3.50 and then below $3. I need all these levels broken to confirm we're in the larger degree fourth wave, but with each level, it becomes more likely that the fourth wave is unfolding, and then support for that larger degree fourth wave is located at $2.51, which is the 38.2 retracement and typically an ideal target for a fourth wave, and then $1.99. So I don't really have anything directly bullish left below $1.99. The pullback would be too deep for an upside impulse. So as I shared with you in the last video, I don't expect a top is in already at any point because of the upside extensions we've seen. A pullback in wave 4 is possible, right? We just need to wait for evidence, because while it's getting choppy and the market looks a bit tired, I mean, SUI looks a bit tired, it's still been very resilient, really resilient, and it's still holding, despite the chaos that unfolded around SUI in the last few days and last week. It's really still holding. It's just printing higher highs and higher lows. Okay, we've now formed a lower low here locally, but that's all part of a possibly still unfolding third wave in this diagonal, because the pullback is in 3 waves and the previous swing low, the key level marked by the red line, isn't even broken. So if that is now a C wave up that's starting from here, which it easily could do. I mean, internally, I would call that an ABC structure. And then the 100% extension is normally an ideal target. And that was reached. Okay, so it's very much possible that wave C to the upside is starting. We can apply the same target calculation to the upside as well. We take the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave, and then I get 581 as the first level. I'll leave that on the chart right now, 581. So we'll see if the price gets there. Ideally, though, because this would be a third wave, it extends higher to at least $6.21. Then we want to see another 4-5 pattern. At least I'm going to track this diagonal pattern to the upside until the wheels come off. So until the upside momentum fades. But for now, it's still all valid and all relevant. First indication that a low has formed there in the B wave. Okay, first indication would be a break above the 78.6 retracement. So we want to see a break above $5.02 as a, let's say, indication that the move up is continuing, right? The wave degree, though, is too small really to track, I think, microstructures. So this does not yet look like a 5-wave move up. I would need to see first 5-wave pattern. Maybe we get a nice and clear 1-2 setup to the upside. That would mean 5 waves up on the micro level, followed by a 3-wave pullback, which would form a higher low. So if we see that, we can track it on the chart, but we're already on a very, very small wave degree and time frame anyway for an altcoin. So it's still looking good, still looking for higher prices. Maybe even today's low will stick. And if that's the case, we can watch the 581 level as next upside target. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.